So what is a zip foot? I mean, it's a great question. This is not a zip foot. This is the standard foot that will come on my machine. And you can see if you go to sew a zip with it, you either have to put it down next to the teeth, which means that your needle's coming down really far away. You wouldn't be able to get very close at all. Or you have to place it on top of the teeth in order to get closer, which means that you end up with, you can see it's teetering on there. It would be super hard to sew that accurately and keeping it steady. So we get the zip foot. Now this is my Janome zip foot. It's the zip foot that came with my machine. Most machines will come with one of these that's compatible with their machine. Sometimes they will look slightly different to this. So this is a two-sided one. It comes with this bar at the back, so I can choose which side of the zip I am going to be sewing on as to which side I'm going to place it on. So this button at the back of my machine is going to drop my original foot off, and then I'm going to place this underneath where I want it and lower the presser foot down so that it will clamp on and pick up the zip foot. So with the zip foot installed, you can see now when I go to place myself on, so that this front section is running alongside the teeth, I am so much closer to those teeth. I'm going to be able to get much closer in. Now this section at the back wants to sit on top of the teeth. It's actually got this little groove built in so that it's a bit higher up so that it can sit there. I see an awful lot of this placement when I'm teaching, but what we want you on top so that the front section's running alongside and then the back section will just be resting gently on the top of it. And what this means is when we go to sew our zip, we'll place it right sides down on the fabric, and then we can come in so that it's running alongside the teeth. It's slightly hard to see at the moment because where the zip's upside down, it's not as obvious, but I can feel with my finger where those teeth are. And more importantly, the zip foot wants to run alongside those teeth. So I'm going to speed it up and whiz down this seam so that you can see just how close you can get to the teeth and how much of a better finish you end up with. Look at that. A thing of beauty, nice and close, and more importantly, it was really nice and easy to do.